Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 33 of the Cougar Connection. Last week we were on spring break here at SMS, and I hope everyone had a very restful and relaxing spring break. So, jumping right in, this week our student spotlight is Terry Applegate. Terry is a 7th grade student and a member of the Red Jaguar team here at SMS. We want to recognize Terry for all of her hard work in the kitchen to prepare for several different recipes put out through a local 4-H contest. Terry is an active member of 4-H. She is also a member of the team council, and she has participated in 4 years of shooting sports and 3 years in neighborhood kids homemakers. She had also played basketball since kindergarten and was planning to play middle school soccer before our season was postponed. We also want to recognize Terry for her passion project with our local nursing home. And she also participated in sending some letters to Pioneer Trace as part of our service project here at SMS. So thank you, Terry, for all of your hard work. We can't wait to see what other amazing things you do as a student here at SMS. This week's staff spotlight is Mr. Paul King. Mr. King is the co-founder and manager of Cougar Hill Farm. He manages many initiatives through Cougar Hill Farm, and he is always willing to take upon a leadership role in our building and help out as needed. So we just want to take a moment and thank Mr. King for all of his hard work with the farm and just in general being a positive role model for our students. So upcoming this week on a Monday, we will have an admin team meeting. The time on this is actually going to change. It's going to be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. On Tuesday, we have a SPED PLC via Zoom at 1 o'clock. On Tuesday, we also have a leadership team at 3 o'clock. Wednesday, we'll have content PLCs for science and math and social studies and ELA. Thursday, Green Monkey Team PLC at 2, Red Jaguars at 3. On Friday, Canewell Mice T-shirt day as always, and we will have Silver Snakes PLC at 2 and a Blue Barracuda PLC at 3. Also, this week, we do want to take a moment and shout out to our students who are on the leaderboard for Achieve 3000. For this week of spring break, we did have 2 students who were working pretty hard in Achieve, and those were Jasmine Rose and Jocelyn Crum. So you guys will be receiving a Cougar Pride card from me. We also had Alyssa Godby for the week before spring break participate and score the most activities at 75% or above. Our top scorer for that week was Jared Ishmael. And our scores that were on the top for the week by day: on Monday, Leanna Puckett; Tuesday, Alyssa Godby; Wednesday, Jared Ishmael; Thursday, Mackenzie Conley; and Friday, Callie Robinson. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week.